Namaste, myself JB Shivi Saxena, Faculty of Physiotherapy and Diagnostic, and my discipline is Medical Laboratory Technology. So, welcome in Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. So, today my topic is hot air oven. So, firstly, hot air oven definition. A hot air oven is a laboratory instrument that uses dry heat to sterilize laboratory equipment and other materials. That equipment cannot be wet or materials that will not melt, catch fire, or change from when exposed to high temperature and sterilized by using the dry heat sterilization method. Hot air oven, also known as forced air circulating oven. Some example of material which cannot be sterilized by employing a hot air oven such as surgical dressings, rubber item or plastic material. We can sterilize glassware like petri dish, flask, pipettes and test tube and powders like star, zinc oxide and sulfadiazine. Material that contain oil, matter, equipment like scalps, scissors, and blades by using hot air oven. To destroy microorganisms and bacterial spores, a hot air oven provides extremely high temperature over several hours. The widely used temperature time relationship in hot air oven to destroy microorganisms are 170 degrees Celsius and 30 minutes and 160 degrees Celsius for 60 minutes and 150 degrees Celsius for 150 minutes. Most of the medical industries use hot air oven to sterile laboratory instruments and material due to its simple standard operating procedure and low price. It also provides quick drying process and process of dry heat sterilization using a hot air oven originally developed by Louis Pasteur. The temperature range the temperature range of a hot air oven is 50 to 300 degrees Celsius. It can be controlled by using a temperature regulator. In a hot air oven, first and surface of the material is sterilized, then the temperature slowly enter the center of the item. Next step is working principle of hot air oven. So, sterilization by dry heat is performed by conduction. The temperature is consumed by the surface of the objects, then move toward the core of the object coating by coating. The whole object will ultimately attain the temperature needed for sterilization to take place, and dry heat causes most of the injury by oxidizing particles. The primary cell components are damaged and the organism dies. The temperature is kept for about an hour to eliminate the most ambitious of the resistance spores. Okay, so dry sterilization work. So it is originally used in a hot air oven. Its method is proper for items like glassware, powders, oil containing material, and metal material. Hot air oven act in a manner so that items stored inside the oven don't get fire or melt down. The primary act on the principle of structure where heat moves on the outside of the substance and then to the core of the item. It is termed a dry sterilization process because the procedure of performed by employing the hot air oven. Okay, so while the air shift hot, it becomes thinner or transfer toward the ceiling of the chamber. So if air hit the roof of the chamber, it travels toward the ground of the chamber. The help in the circulation of air between the chamber, this current flow assures are proper and uniform heating everywhere in the chamber. This is approaching a longer method than autoclaving or moist sterilization. Hence, a few organizational facilities are needed if it is practiced in the medical laboratory. So that works can create a schedule of the sterilization method. Okay. Next step is hot air oven parts and function. Firstly, external cabinet. Okay, the external cabinet is made of the steel is covered. Wait. Yeah. So next types of hot air oven. There are present different type of hot air ovens such as first gravity convection. So gravity convection air is distributed by spontaneous convections as hot air flow a gentle flow hold temperature moderately uniform inside a container and wholly uniform in any distant position. Second, forced convection ovens. So these ovens carry a fan that gives limited air circulation within the heating container. And this method provides very fast heat up and restoration time mixed with especially low temperature difference inside the working chamber. Okay, and flexible vents, the semi-force exude deliver it a conventional sample drying oven. Next, mechanical convection. So mechanical convection is a gravitation convection oven server with a recirculating fan in a working container. Next, force exude oven. So in these oven, air is pushed into the working container by a fan of sketch through the adaptable vent. This variety of oven is especially helpful is purpose where the heating process providing vapors or fumes that require to be immediately and continuously discharged from the working container. All of the forced air oven consume at a higher percentage than a conventional oven, though much larger force exude velocities can be compensized by adding an air channel and a flexible outlet. This adjustment takes an extra 100 and is totally achievable with the force convention oven and side throat oven. So certain oven produce airflow from one side of the other. Example left to right. Speedy heat up or restoration time make this type of oven prototype for preheating plastic clothes that like hospital etc. So or any profession where smooth seats or plates are used. Hot air oven for pro and advantages. So no need to water to sterilize and the material and not much pressure of create like autoclave which create it easy to manage and also make it safer to work with. And in a laboratory environment, it is more fitting to use as compared to other sterilizer. And hot air oven is much smaller in size as compared to autoclave and also more effective. And a hot air oven can be more speedy than then an autoclave and higher temperature can be achieved as compared to other means. The operating procedure is simple and compared to other sterilization method, and its price is low as compared to autoclave. Okay, so hot air oven disadvantages. So according to the principle of thermal inactivation by oxidation, it cannot slaughter some living organisms such as prions due to the use of dry heat rather than wet heat. And most of the material are not fit with hot air ovens such as surgical dressing, rubber item or plastic material that they can be melt down at low temperature. So hot air oven application. So it is used to dry glassware, slice and 95 mask, journal instruments, and packaging item of life science, microbiology laboratory. And it is also used in chemical and pharmaceutical industries, food and beverage industries, and textile industries. So it helps in the elimination of moisture from the material. It is used in curing, drying, baking, and annealing. So it is also used for the measurement of mixed liquid, suspended solids, that means MLSS, and certain laboratories and hospitals. It is used to store material at a constant temperature. Okay, so this topic is completed, and any query so mention in comments box. And thank you and namaste.